Power tools use many bearings to allow various components to rotate. Over time, a ball bearing will wear and begin to fail. A bearing that is failing will usually give warning, often with a squeaking or a squealing sound. Replacing a ball bearing is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the rear motor cover. Now I'll remove the motor brushes. First the wire lead, then I'll pull the brush spring out of the way and remove the brush. And I'll do the same thing on the other side. Now I'll separate the gear case from the motor. And pull the armature from the motor housing. With the armature removed, now I can remove the pinion gear. Now I'll remove the bearing from the armature. I put some rubber vise jaws on my vise, and I'll clamp the armature in the vise. Then I'll use 2 screwdrivers to carefully pry the bearing off of the armature. I want to be careful that I don't damage the fan. Now I can install the new bearing. I'll place the metal bracket over the armature first. You'll notice on one side there's a bit of a hub, and that hub should be pointed down or towards the fan. Then I'll place the bearing onto the armature shaft and use a socket to tap it into place. Now I'll reinstall the armature gear. Now I'll install the armature back into the motor housing. I'll line up the tabs on the baffle with the cutouts in the baffle ring. Now I can reinstall the gearbox. And the switch should be on the left side of the motor. Now I'll reinstall the brushes. I'll finish up by reinstalling the rear motor housing. And that's all it takes to replace the bearing on your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.